Morning, how are you guys? Morning. You guys can see me today? Hello. Okay, so we have FOMC today. Let's see if we can find something good. Most likely it's gonna be a little bit choppy, but we'll see. Today I changed my futures contract for June's. Those now have more volume than the other ones. Keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip. Morning. Do we have any data today? I know we have FOMC today. But do we have any 9:45 or 10 a.m. data? Nope. Okay, awesome. Tradeify still have 35% off for the 50k accounts. For the other accounts is only 30% off. But for the 50k account is 35. Okay. So far we're using these resistance as support, which is good. But it's not looking too strong. When it comes to the daily, we're in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, most likely we're just gonna chop around until FOMC. So what do we do on days like today? We don't do much. If we can skip today, it will be even better. IWM reacting 204. That 204 level is a big watch for me today. Morning. Okay, 562 on SPY. So we have a little gap below on SPY in the queue. We'll see if we're gonna fill that gap and then bounce, or we're just gonna use this 562 and 476 level support and then just boom, go to yesterday high. Everything looks like it's holding, but nothing that I love. Nvidia is kind of weak. Apple looks like it wants to bounce. Microsoft, nice VWAP hold so far. Oh, Amazon, important level here. Yesterday's low and 192. That's Amazon. That's one that I'm gonna look for a trade today if we have a bounce day. So I think today is a day just to be very patient. Very. IWM definitely looking more bullish than SPY in the queue, so we know if the market change around, that's the one I want to trade to the upside. Okay, that's a big one. Okay, Nvidia, that's Nvidia. Okay, we have a gap filled on the queue till yesterday high. It can go a little bit lower till yesterday's close. Technically, that's the gap. Let's see if it's gonna hold there. But if SPY goes lower to fill the gap, because it still can go a little bit lower to near 561, the Q just gonna keep going lower. For me, SPY is the big boss. It's the one that it says like, where do I want to trade? So even if I want to trade a Q, I'm always looking at what SPY is doing. That was a beautiful, beautiful 204 reaction on IWM. Morning. Okay. Nvidia is crazy weak. Morning. I kind of like these holes here on the spy, but first I want to see like a bullish candlestick there. Watch out for these possible 476 VWAP reaction here on the Q. Whoa, what was that? I guess we had some type of data because of that move. That was fast.
Morning fog, but now it's clear. With a sip, my mind shifts gear.
Okay.
Half awake yet fully numb.
What was that?
Helps me claim my
Everything is pushing. Everything.
city buzz in crowded streets.
Okay, IWM, I see you.
Balance tone
Okay, so if we have a pullback here on IWM and it holds 204, I'm gonna go long.
no need to roam.
But I'm gonna wait for the next candlestick. So basically I wanna see this candlestick closing strong and the next one giving me a pullback.
Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back my soul.
This IWM candlestick, it looks like it wants to fill the gap just with one candlestick.
Liquid calm, it's pure delight.
Okay.
Stay awake but not too bold. Perfect blend, I'm feeling gold.
I wonder how many people blow up their account with that candlestick.
Claim the day, no need to rush. Sip the peace in such a hush. Take a break, let life unfold.
You almost hit no blowing up accounts?
What's there, hold
That's scary.
keeping steady on my
I want to know why we have that big push. Like, where does that come from?
in my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back my soul.
Short and bold, it hits just right. Ristretto powers me through the night. A tiny shot, a mighty lift. Focused vibes are its special gift. Steaming hot and dark as gold. In every drop, a story told. Wake me up and set me free. Ristretto, can't you see? Sip it slow, let it flow. ritual keeps me sane, chasing dreams through sun and rain. Tiny cup, but huge in might, with straddle shining bright. Dark and rich, it fuels my fire, taking me ever higher. One shot,
Oh, hey everyone.
wrist straddle, hear the call. Sip it slow, let it flow.
Hello, hello.
In the cafe,
Hey, ATEC.
dreams grow. Small dose, big boast.
Okay, is this the pullback that we are waiting on IWM? Let's see if it's gonna hold. Morning. Hey. So far, I definitely like this 30-minute candle, how it's going. Looking pretty bullish, holding 562 here on SPY. I like this pullback here on IWM. If can hold above 204, I'm pretty bullish on that one. Or the VWAP. Apple is flying. Let's see how it's gonna react to 220, even though it's pretty far from 220 now. I'm still working on that. I don't know why my OBS, my stream software is acting up. It took me forever to start the stream today, but we're here. I don't know, it's super annoying.
Recharging in a cup so small, I forgot who beats them all. When the world feels too far,
Okay, so I'm gonna try this IWM. Gonna be 5 micros, like smaller size than normal. My stop loss is the VWAP.
clears my mind. Sip the magic feel.
I like how SPY and the Q are looking for a pulsable bounce to, first of all, yesterday high, and then the gap above on both SPY and the Q.
Helps me thrive.
Rothy clouds and liquid gold. Nitro fuels the brave and bold. A gentle buzz, a flowing stream. Nitro brings
Anyone got Q here? Oh.
light and cold power.
Yeah, everything with the market.
With my don't just get back. Energy breaks through in a slow night.
Hold it. I'm getting some options here. It has a gap above. I just don't want anything. Stream is like, let me see. Okay. Now should be okay.
Whipped cream kisses, coffee so sweet. Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. Morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that
Low.
slowly thrill.
Yeah, I'm fixing that.
City wide
I'm
awake,
working on it.
finding joy in each mistake. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways.
I think now it should be okay.
Writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Okay, so let's see if IWM is gonna hold the VWAP. If cannot hold the VWAP, I'm getting out of this position. But if can hold the VWAP, I'm gonna add. To my position here.
Clock hands dance what tales they tell. Loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace. Every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet their dance. Chance on chance for a life romance. Romance. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip,
Let's see.
slowly waking up.
I don't like how the market is moving. It's too jumpy.
Down cobblestone ways. Writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Oh yeah, IWM for me needs to hold the VWAP or 204.
Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace. Every moment will
Okay, I like that. And add there.
Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such pride.
Okay, I like that pullback here on the VWAP and 204.
One shot, two shots, I'm ready to go. Fuel in the fire, let in the workflow. Bold and strong, no time to delay. Espresso's here to kickstart the day. Sip the power, feel the mind.
I like this, definitely.
Morning rocket taking flight. Eyes wide open, no more haze. Espresso's magic starts the craze. Late nights, long days, never give in. Cup in hand, it's a win-win. Dark and deep, it's my secret key.
Oh, that pullback to the VWAP was perfect. Anyone enter it there? That was perfect.
Morning rocket taking flight. Eyes wide open, no more haze. Espresso's magic starts.
Come on, just go higher. Give me 205.
Every drop a burst of light.
Okay, so this is what I'm looking at
Cutting through
on IWM.
stride. Swift and bold, the only way. Espresso rules my everyday.
I don't know the name of the songs. I just put a this is the video that we're listening. This one here. Their channel is pretty good. I like their music for trading.
Espresso's magic starts the craze.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful bounce here. We got a perfect ad here at the VWAP. Let's see if it's gonna fill the gap and then go to 205 and then hopefully 205.50.
A dash of milk, a bold caffeine kiss. Macchiato makes me feel like this. Sharp and steady, clear and strong. Driving the rhythm of my song.
I wanted to go with 2 minis, but then I was like, just be careful because today's FOMC. This can be a fake out.
Sleepy rooms. A simple smile, the world ignites.
565 is the resistance we need to pay attention to here on SPY. That's yesterday high. Yep.
From dawn to dusk, it takes control. Pouring vigor within my soul. A bittersweet embrace so grand. Holding courage in my hand. With every gulp, a battle's won. Chasing shadows till they're gone. Wake up,
Hopefully SPY goes for the gap.
leave your worries far behind. In this cup, take shape a dream. More pressure.
precious than it may seem. Macchiato mindset never fades, fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk it takes control.
Okay, should I take some profits here because SPY is right at 565? It can go a little bit higher. Come on, IWM, just fill the gap already.
Macchiato mindset never fades, fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk it takes control, pouring vigor within my soul.
Okay. Guys, we have a perfect trade. Perfect. Perfect. Gonna take a little bit of profits here.
Wake up warriors of the grind, leave your worries far behind.
Beautiful. That was perfect.
In this cup take shape a dream, more precious than it may seem.
Okay. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold here.
More precious than
This was so clean. So clean.
long and smooth, a steady stream, Americano.
That's all it matters, to be honest. Doesn't matter the PNL. What it matters is how we are trading, if we're taking good setups or not.
Sip, chill yet driven, no time to slip. In the city where hustle's king, every cup
Okay,
a chance.
SPY definitely showing clear reactions at 565.
And fantasy
I'm gonna sell a little bit more here.
drive to our
And just waiting for IWM to fill the entire gap.
morning buzz to late night grind. In that cup our strength.
I'm gonna sell a little bit more.
Sip by sip ambition flows, navigating life's
Okay,
ebbs and flows.
beautiful.
America
One more. Gap, it's filled. Gap, it's filled.
keeps us burning
Gap is filled here on IWM.
through the highs and lows. We stroll, endless fire in that bowl.
That was beautiful. I think I can definitely go to this high here. With spandex, you keep going higher, and with gaps above, I think definitely can go to that 205.50. So, because I like what I'm seeing here on SPY, I'm just gonna leave these two runners.
Caffeine dream, unfazed by the day's bright gleam, riding high on coffee's beam. From dawn till dusk, no slowing pace. In every drum, ambition's trace. In every brew, we celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate. that never sleep. Coffee whispers secrets deep. A mocha love that fills the air. Sweet productivity everywhere. Morning rituals, therapy. Caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful.
Okay, so now we want to see SPY holding 565, the yesterday high.
Mocha
That's the next trade if you want to take another one.
sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend, my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend, my day takes flight.
Okay, I'm out. I like this. I'm out. That was a strong reaction on IWM.
Foam so light, a gentle guide. Cappuccino keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet.
I'm out.
Starting strong on rhythmic beat.
I think that's pretty good for a IWM, for a A4MC day.
Subtle ways, silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Yeah, that's at almost 3K gains, so we're good.
Whisper steam in morning light. Chasing shadows out of sight. Sip by sip, the world awakes. New adventures, morning makes. Latte leaves a milky trace, but this foam holds steady grace. Every drop a spark divine. In this cup our stars align.
Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Chilled and smooth, it sets the tone. Cold brew helps me own my zone. Every sip
Okay, so we have spy and acute right at resistance. We either gonna go back down and to the VWAP and then bounce again, or we fight this resistance and then keep going higher to fill the gap.
Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind at ease.
Yeah, Amazon's looking pretty good. But I don't know. I don't want to like for the way that I see it is that I'm only trading options when I'm seeing A plus setup, and yes, Amazon's looking pretty good, but it's not an A plus setup with FOMC coming up, and I don't scalp options.
Eyes wide open, no so clear. Cold brews whisper.
I like trading options only when I see a possible big move.
Dreams till late at night. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind at ease. Silky smooth, a gentle drive. Flat white keeps my work alive. Precision brewed, it keeps me clear. Chill vibes follow when it's near. Morning glow, it sees me through. Every sip, a world anew. Life feels lighter, taste the cream. Lost in liquid like a dream. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each little sup. Dance of beans ground to delight. Warmth embraces day and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy
Spy looks like it wants to break that level.
on this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup, uplifting with each.
I have never scalp options. And I get huge numbers with swing trading options. Nothing particular, it's just like the way that I figure out my trading is just scalping, like the way that I make more money. Like my numbers are way better when I just scalp futures, and look for very, very like good trade setups with options.
Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop.
No, it's not a stupid question.
Moments filled with just
Honestly, I just love trading futures. I've been trading futures for a year and a half now, and I never, to be honest, I never made so much money just scalping futures based on SPY in the queue and IWM charts, and then just look for big setups only with options. Like I swing trade with options. The way that I do it, you guys can see it on the video that I explain how I trade and how I just don't like scalping options. It's like because I think it's because of the time decade, like the Greeks. A future is so easy. You just click buy and sell, and that's it. I think future is so easy. I don't need to think about what contract I want to buy, how, like if I want to buy this week, for tomorrow, for next week, next month. I don't need to think too much. I just click buy and sell. And I'm not patient enough to be sitting on my computer watching for hours a chart. At least not now. I used to, but I noticed that the more that I'm sitting watching charts and the more that I trade, the highest probability that I have to giving back my profit or just being completely red for the day. But I also think like all that comes with a lot of screen time. So I've been trading for 8 years, and the way that I trade is sometimes I can't even explain much, but because I've been watching SPY in the queue for so long that I kind of understand how it moves just by intuition. Okay, so SPY definitely stronger than the Q. What's the price for ES futures and NQ, and how much cost is needed for one? I don't know that answer because I don't trade with I trade with a prop firm, so that's completely different. And also each broker has different amount of money that you need to have on your account to be able to trade futures. So no idea. I use props, so it's way cheaper. That's how I started trading futures, and I love it. I know, I like, yes, I use levels, but I mainly use candlesticks too. Like, I love it. Like, candlesticks for me are a way for the market to communicate, pretty much.
But not too bold. Perfect blend. I'm feeling gold.
How do I see the pattern so well? I will definitely say, like, if you're just starting, just watch my video. I'm gonna send you the link. Okay, so just watch this video. Wait a minute. And I will say, just keep it very, very, very simple. Don't try to learn too many things. Just keep it very simple. Like reading candlesticks, understanding levels, and market trend. That's all you need. So just watch this video and then just put it into practice, and then it gets easier the more you watch the charts, even without trading. Like, don't trade too much, just be very mindful on the setups you want to trade. Just basically make a plan pre-market. Like, if you see my pre-market plan, it was very, very simple, and it was exactly what I traded today.
Focus vibes are its special gift. Steaming hot and dark as gold.
So
Every drop
I'm gonna show you guys.
wake me up.
So I posted here today
Shadow, can't you see?
my SPY levels. Very simple. Yesterday's low, yesterday high, and we have these 562 levels. So basically it was waiting for this level to show me if it is gonna act as support and resistance, and then make a play there, right? Same thing with the Q. I have my support, resistance, and then waiting for what's going on here, right? So that's SPY and the Q. And then on my stocks watch list, I have IWM, and Amazon, just two charts, right? So the main one was IWM, and I say we want to see it getting out of this range. If yesterday high acts as support and playing the gap above, which was exactly what I did. I waited for 204 yesterday high to play as support, and then I played the gap, and that's it. Like, I had 4 charts only pre-market that I wanted to look for possible trades, and then I just waited for those levels to show me something. Like, you want to wait, and you want to wait for your plan to develop, and then basically with candlesticks, you know if those levels are really working or not. Yeah, I watch while you guys are looking here. The daily 30 minutes and 5 minutes candlesticks. So with the daily, I see the bigger picture. With the 30-minute candlestick, same thing. And the 5 minutes is where I look for entries.
Coffee swirls in creamy bliss. Finding peace in moments like this. Tasks and chaos fade away. I forgot those saves the day. Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Affogato helps me thrive.
So now for me, I wouldn't take any trades here unless I see a clean 565 hold. And then like I want to see like a strong candlestick holding even above 565, and then the next one pulling back and holding basically a break and retest there, right? That's your entry. Or just waiting for the VWAP and then show you that the VWAP is gonna hold. But here it's choppy, so I don't want to trade that.
Floaty clouds and liquid gold. Nitro fuels the brave and bold. A gentle buzz, a flowing stream. Nitro brings life to every dream. Bubbles rising like the sun. In every sip, adventures run.
And yeah, I the smallest time frame that I use is 5 minutes. I don't use anything under 5.
Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks through. In a sparkle we unite. Riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare. In this tide we find our song. Nitro's beat goes on and on. In the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just
But this just looks like a healthy pullback after a strong move to the upside. And we want to see that. We want to see, like, on bullish trends, we want to see strong move to the upside, and then pullbacks, and then another one, and then a pullback, and then another one.
find our song. Nitro's beat goes on and on. In the glow of neon light,
Amazon is still looking pretty good.
touch the sky.
I also like Microsoft.
Drop a cosmic flame. With nitro we don't just get by. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks through. In a sparkle we unite. Riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare. In this tide we find our song. Nitro's beat goes on and on. Nitro beat throughout the night, yeah.
Hola. Gracias.
Whipped cream kisses, coffee so sweet. Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that slowly thrill. Whispers of a city wide awake, finding joy in each mistake. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip.
Very slow price action right now.
Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways.
Let's see what is Tesla doing.
Chapters in such vibrant days.
Nothing. Tesla is crazy choppy today. Nice 230 hold, but too choppy.
Afternoon breezes, stories unfold.
Palantir,
Memories in streets.
very choppy also.
Clock hands dance what tales they tell. Loving seconds like a gentle spell.
Yeah, I don't like that chart.
Waltzing shadows in twilight's gray.
No, to the downside, no, to the upside.
Every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet
They both look bullish. Amazon and Microsoft.
romance. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways. Writing chapters in such vibrant days.
It doesn't matter. I don't wait for the candlestick to close always. Again, it's more like intuition, but also it depends. If I'm using the 5 minute, I'm not gonna make a decision based on the first 1 minute. Like right now, I can see it. The candlestick, it's closing in under 1 minute. I could definitely make a decision here, but if it has 4 minutes left, I most likely I would not make any decision. Claro que hablo español, soy venezolana.
Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways. Writing chapters in such vibrant days. For the courage I've attained, every twist and every turn, from the ashes I have learned. Falling down.
Netflix over daily SMA. I don't use any indicators other than the VWAP, to be honest.
Hiding silent cries. Glory in my battle.
But only on a break of previous day high. I don't know what you're asking, to be honest.
With every scar upon my skin.
Oh, you're asking me if I'm looking for Amazon and Microsoft bear trades because they are both at previous day high. I think that's what you're asking. And no, I like Amazon and Microsoft for a possible upside move, but it needs the market. In the near future, yeah, maybe. I would thinking of making a bot that I can trade for me. Yeah, I think in the future it's gonna, well, right now it's AI. It's making it pretty easy to develop indicators, but anything that it make you easier for you to trade. I don't like indicators. One, because they're lag. They only work when the market is trendy. If you have a choppy market, indicators don't work at all. And I also don't like having a bunch of stuff on my charts. Like right now on this Q chart, I have a bunch of like levels, like I have the gaps, and I don't like seeing this. I think if you have too many indicators, you're gonna have analysis paralysis. Okay, so we have the market pulling back. Let's see how it's gonna react to the VWAP here. That was a beautiful, beautiful, perfect reaction on SPY and the Q, reacting at key levels, yesterday high. IWM is holding very good so far. Looks like it's flagging. So the way that I can explain you guys here how I use the 30-minute time frame. So if we only see here on the 5 minutes, we could think that SPY and the Q, they wanna like keep going higher, right? If we see only here and we see only here. But what is this 30-minute candlestick telling me? This one here, right at resistance. It's showing me clear reaction, like a very strong reaction. So if I see a very clean reaction candlestick right at resistance, I have no business trying, like thinking that just because SPY was holding here, right? Like that. That was looking pretty bullish, right? It looks like it wanted to like keep going higher with a gap above. But if I look at the 30-minute candlestick here, it's telling me, okay, it's an ugly reaction candle. So if I see this, which one is more important, the 5-minute time frame or the 30? The bigger the time frame, the better. So when you have something on the bigger time frame, that's what you need to keep in mind more than the 5 or the 3 or the 2. Okay, we're at the VWAP. This is a make it or break it. If SPY cannot hold the VWAP here, most likely we're gonna go back down to 562. And for the Q will be 476 or 575. In fact, these reaction candles on the 30-minute time frame, it's one of my favorite patterns to play. Is this one. This one here. I love playing this pattern on the 30-minute candlesticks. But it can work out on any time frame. No, so with Microsoft and Amazon, yes, I was bullish on those two. I'm bullish on those two, but SPY and the Q was showing you clear sign that it was gonna go lower. So I don't want to go against SPY and the Q. Okay, I like that. Let's see. I like that hold. I'm gonna try it here. My stop loss is if SPY cannot hold the VWAP. No, it can be green. Don't you see it here? This one is green. So another thing is, like, for me, candlestick don't matter if they're red or green. I explained that on the video that I told you guys to watch. I explained all that there. Okay, so far I like this hold.
boots and hit the street. Feel the rhythm in your feet. Every step a beat.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, I don't like that.
Can't go wrong. Every
We want to see a bounce in there.
celebration. Walk with joy and pure elation. Turn the corner.
Come on, bounce there. Hold it.
Let the journey now begin. Sidewalks become your parade. Ordinary turns to grande. Waving at the passing cars. Twinkle toes under
I don't like that.
Every step's a celebration. Walk with joy,
Okay.
elation.
Come on, bounce.
Turn the corner with the
Give me 1 second.
let the journey now begin. Traffic lights don't slow you down. March like you're the king of town. Each crack in the pavement's cheer. Making every day.
Come on, bounce there.
Up the hill and down the slope. Stride with confidence.
I don't like that move. And this candlestick is about to close.
You're the lead. Move with grace and take the speed.
Come on, hold the view up there. Bounce. Go. Higher.
Turns to grande. Waving at the passing cars. Twinkle toes under stars. Every step's a celebration. Walk with joy and pure elation. Turn the corner with a grin. Let the journey now begin.
Oh my god, this is so slow. Okay, I'm out. I'm done. I'm out and red. End of the day red here. I'm done. Done for the morning. And that was sad.
In the morning sun's glow.
I look for better trades after FOMC, but I'm done for right now.
Dreams ignite. Let
Yes, I chart SPY in the queue and trade futures based on that.
don't lose your heart. Small gestures play the biggest part. When the world feels cold and gray, a smile can chase the clouds away. Kindness on repeat, let it flow in every way. We'll watch it grow in your heart. Keep the
So this is the video.
kindness on repeat.
If these things bounce and go and hold the view up, I'm gonna be so mad.
Plant the seeds, watch them bloom. A touch of kindness fills the room. In this life so swift and fleeting, let's make each moment worth repeating. Spread love like a sweet refrain. In giving we will find our gain. Kindness on repeat, let it flow in every way, we'll watch it grow.
Perfect, just perfect. Thank you.
The beat, kindness on repeat. Ride the rhythm, ride the wave. Let your worries find their grave. Catch the current, feel the breeze. Smile and dance with so much ease. Shadows fading, sunny skies. Light the path with bright blue eyes. Jump the hurdles, free the chains. Let the joy just flood your veins. Waves of positivity rolling through eternity.
If he holds the view up, I'm gonna try it again.
The cheer, feel the good vibes draw you near.
So far it's reacting.
Laughing loud and living free. Paint the world with
Okay, it's reacting there.
hope is soaring, hearts arise. Find the beauty in surprise. Chase the sun with open arms. Wrap the moon in endless charms. Radiate from deep within.
Okay, we're reacting.
Magic
I'm done, guys. I'm done for this morning. I'll be here tomorrow. Thank you. Remember to like the video.
spread the love and
And yeah, I look for